It is 8:34 in the morning. We're gonna do the 7/7s in Mourn Mountain. All right, we are here and where are we at? Annalong. It's pretty windy outside right now. Those in the Mourn Mountains, and we're gonna have fun today. Looks like a storm is coming in. There's like pretty ominous clouds there, so we'll hope for the best. Alright, so we're coming up on the first summit. I would say 50 miles per hour. That's pretty cool. On I went straight down and straight back up. 705 meters. My map here, I flew down the mountain. I ran to get it. I thought I was gonna kill myself, but I got it. And this is where we're heading. We are heading there. That's Donard. Alright, so we are just getting started on this fine, rainy morning. Yeah, so there's supposed to be a huge storm coming today, so unfortunately I'm not going to get to complete my trips, but hey, it'll be okay. Alright, I'm signing out. It's getting windy out here. I gotta go. Alright, so we made it back into town. I really wanted to walk over this bridge, so that's what I'm going to do right now.